YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I'm Whitney Christina. If you're new here, please don't leave without clicking that subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up. Okay, moving right along. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing haul for the website Flamingo. So Flamingo sells cell phone cases, jewelry, bags, t-shirts, all that kind of stuff. I went on there. I saw them because they were advertising it through Instagram. And so first I went and kind of did some research. So I'm like, is this a legit website? Do I have to worry about them taking my money and me not getting it back? So I did my research. It was a legit company, a legit website. So I decided to purchase some cell phone cases from there. I just got the iPhone XR. So I figured why not unbox these things with you guys just in case somebody else wants to find some new cute cell phone cases or is interested in ordering from Flamingo. So my order came probably about, I think it was like maybe like 5 or 3 days later. And so it came, of course, in like little plastic wrapping. And even though it's from the website Flamingo, it came from Andy Zhang. I have yet to open up this box. So this is the box that the stuff came in. And voila, here are some of the cell phone cases. So here is one of the cell phone cases. Open this up. Okay, interesting. So I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna be doing with this because I definitely ain't wearing my cell phone case around my neck like old grandma. But it came with this. It has some little, I don't know if you guys can see that, some little bedazzled jewels in there. And then how cute is it? So this is the cell phone case. It has like little crystals in it. And then I am supposed to attach this to the very back of my phone. And then I'm gonna do some snippets or whatever trying on the cell phone cases on my phone. So yeah, that's gonna be attached to that. It has a little sticky tape stuff on the back. Yeah, that's pretty cute. I like the jewels on there. So that is cell phone case number 1. Number 2. This one has their little name on it, Flamingo. So this is considered yellow, but to me it's gold. So yeah, this is the cell phone case. And once again, like, they come with these, I don't know what these are called, but they're supposed to make it easier for you to hold your cell phone or take pictures and stuff. So I thought that was cute. That's jeweled too, and someone attached that. This is another case. I don't know what's up with these little thick chains and stuff. I don't know who's rocking their cell phone around their neck, but if you are, you're only permitted to do this 60 and up, okay? Yeah, so this is supposed to be, I guess, a necklace. They have a little, this is a cell phone case. So they have this little ball thing that you can attach to the cell phone case at the bottom. So I'll attach it right now since that's something simple. And so that'll be on there. I really don't like how thick this strap is though. Don't like that part. But here's another one of those things that I'm gonna attach to the back of it. And there is that, like that. It'll be like that. Up next, okay, this was my favorite. This was the one that actually got me to go on their site because they were advertising it. But I thought that this was so pretty because of the coloring. Like, you don't really see many cell phone cases, and the colors in here are just, they're beautiful. I don't know if you guys will be able to catch it, but it has like all these like glitters and stuff. Yeah, but this one also came with the button thing. I'm gonna figure out what these are called. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, those things, and I'm gonna attach it to that. And then this one also came with another furry ball thing. This green to me is so pretty, but I do not like these little thick straps. I don't like them. Somebody else will, but I don't like them. So attach that to that. Okay, and then there's how it will be. It also came with another useless necklace for me. Yeah, but so I'm gonna attach these to my phone and I'm gonna show you guys how they look. Okay, so as I put the phone cases on, they're good quality. They feel pretty durable, and then out of the 4, about 2 of them feel a little bit more thicker and durable than the other 2. But out of all, like, they're still good quality cases from what I can see. Wait, hold up, y'all. Might have figured something out on the camera because I don't know what's happening here, but the gold one, as I was holding it, this part it came off. It just came off on me. So hopefully it won't do that again, but like, I noticed that all the cases are kind of different. Like this one is a little bit more plasticky than the other one, where this one comes in a hard case, and then this cover is on top of it. And this one too, it comes like in a bendable case, whereas these two, the cases are harder. Like, it's a case in a case, if that makes any sense. But so far so good. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything that I talked about in this video, be sure to comment down below. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.